Hello and a warm welcome to my channel. In this video, I've tried to decode the derivative data of all participants based on the open interest as of close today, which is Tuesday, March the 14th. Now, we saw some heavy duty selling today also in the market from this, which started on Friday near 17,600 with that gap down and has continued till today till 17,000. We're breaking the 17,000 for some time today. Now the FIIs continue to be bearish, prop desk mildly bearish, and clients continue to be bullish. They're not giving up. None of them seem to be giving up their stand right now. So the FIIs today added more shorts in this fall. The shorts are now at one net short at 1,44,000. Remember, this was around 80,000 when Nifty was at 17,700, 800. This is now increasing double or very fast. The DIIs have done huge buying today. This kind of buying from the DIIs intraday is kind of a record I'm seeing out here, but they have shorted puts out here, sorry, stocks out here, stock futures, and they have also increased their stock call shorting marginally. So this seems to be a balancing factor from the domestic institutions for their holdings out here. The prop desk, as usual, doing a copy paste of what the FIIs do and increasing the short. Now remember, last week they were 12,000 short. Now they are 43. So every day they seem to be near to double or slightly below their open figure. They keep on adding more and more shorts on the down move. You're not looking at short covering, rather adding more and more. The clients continue to get long, keep adding. Some of the clients who are bearish have covered it. So there is considerable amount of bullishness continuation from the clients. They're not trying to book losses. They are either new longs are coming in from clients or some are averaging on the down or holding it, expecting a bounce in with 2 more weeks of this settlement pending. The in the options, index options, we can see that on Monday close, the FII's put call ratio was for one call for every 2.6 puts. That remains same. In fact, it's now for one call, 2.5 puts. So there's no change from the index option side, even though the numbers look quite different. But overall, it's more or less the same from the FIIs out there. The prop desk has marginally reduced their bearishness in calls, very marginally, but they still continue with a huge call short. But they have also now more than 2x doubling of put shorts from them. They were very small quantity short on Monday. Now this has gone to 1 lakh. So the prop desk feels that the downside is not heavy for this Thursday's expiry, but the upside is definitely not there. The clients, on the other hand, a few of them have seen their calls melt very badly. They've raised the checkered flag out there and they have taken an exit. So the reducing the bullishness from them. But on the put short side, where some of them must be suffering a lot right now, because remember, this volumes of heavy put writing started last week and they are still adding put shorts. So that's an incredible 4.45 lakhs of put shorting still being held by them. In fact, there must be a lot of clients who must be net short or net long in put. Some may be having spreads, but overall, this is quite a decent amount of naked put exposure we are seeing out there from them. In the stock futures, FIIs continue to short stocks, and a few of them have bought a few stocks, but the ratio is 1:5 intraday today. And overall, you can now see the figure near 50,000 net only. This was 1 lakh 25 to 1 lakh 30 a week ago. So that's incredible unwinding done by FIIs out here and more shorts added by them in the 600 fall decline. The prop desk marginal longs, net longs, well, the clients continue to cover their shorts and new longs. They continue to add. In the stock options, we can see the FIIs have added marginally more to their bearish look. The pros have gone further bearish with stock options, calls further shorted, puts further bought, while the clients continue to be bullish, keep adding stock calls, keep shorting stock puts out. Now, today, the Nifty entered the PRZ of a bullish harmonic pad at the 17,000 area, which coincidentally also happens to be extremely close to the Ichimoku support between 16,800 and 16,950. The low was 975, while Bank Nifty, which breached the important support of 39,500 for this week and went on to linger and close near that. Tomorrow, if this bullish harmonic bat has to move up, then it has to start trading above 17,150 spot. Then we can say that the move ahead would be moving towards 17,300, which is the next line of resistance for the Nifty. While if it does not hold today's low of 16,975 odd, then the next support comes in at 16,875 and then at 16,800 on the way down. While Bank Nifty needs to start trading above 39,500 and sustain above it at least for an hour or so, then only we would see some short covering coming in it, which would take it towards 40,000. Failure to hold that 39,200 odd level, which was near about today's low, it would take it further down to 38,700, 38,500. So keep these levels in mind and trade with that direction accordingly. Have a great week, everyone. Bye bye.